temples of stories in every shrine.
Hello, welcome back. This is Kalam again here. In this video, I'm show you how you can generate and create a song using AI and ChatGPT. It is absolutely free for use. So if you are living anywhere in the world, this doesn't matter because this website works worldwide. At first, I'm going to voicemod.net. This link I will attach in description below and first comment. If you click here, then you are redirected to this website. Then I'm going to generate song for you. Just click here, then wait 1 or 2 seconds. Then you can see this is a page. Now I need to choose pick your song. Then I will do
La 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 la.
this one. So I choose this song because this is pretty good to others. Then just click here, then next, just one click, next. Then again choose your favorite singer. If you choose a voice, male voice, then choose male. If you choose a woman, choose woman. Then I will check first.
Holy moly, holy nani nani.
La 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 la. Holy moly, holy nani nani nani.
Holy moly.
Then I want to choose Amy because I like it. You can choose others. This doesn't matter. Then write your lyric. Then I want to go back ChatGPT. You know ChatGPT is a top level generator. It's absolutely free for use. Then I want to write here. Please write a song about example of India. This is example only. Then I need a first paragraph because this is free method. Then you are able to paste some limitation here. So I only need this one. Then create song. Just one click, create song. Then you are see the magic of the tool. Just wait 1 or 2 seconds. It's depend on your internet speed. You can see creating your song, recording 100%. If I go back to ChatGPT, you can see ChatGPT write a whole song for me in a second. If you want to others video how to use a ChatGPT, how to make a AI tool using ChatGPT, how to make a game, how to make an app using ChatGPT, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for you. Then I am go here. Then if you need only voice, choose this option, only voice. If you need voice and music, then choose number 1. So I need voice and music. Then download. Just one click download. Then song. Wow. I want to play this song because I'm very excited to hear this song.
In the land where colors bloom, tapestry of cultures and wine, India where ancient temples of stories in every shrine.
So if you have any questions, please comment below. I'll try to answer your questions. See you next video. Take care. Bye-bye.